How to re-roll in Monopoly Go. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily re-roll in Monopoly Go. So make sure that you watch the video carefully so that you don't miss any of the steps in this process. So in the first step, you just have to launch the Monopoly Go game in your device. Then you just have to create your account on it if you haven't already. Then you need to go through the initial and the steps until you receive your starting resources like your coins, your dices and your rolls, etc. Then in order to access the rolls, you need to use your initial rolls and see what rewards or properties you get. Then if you are not satisfied with the outcome, you can close the game and then you can go to the settings of your device and clear the cache. Then you just have to relaunch your game and you need to just start with a fresh account. You can repeat the initial steps to get to the new roles and rewards. You can even repeat the process until you get your favorite start with good rewards and properties. So by following these steps, you can keep re-rolling until you get the desired outcome in Monopoly Go. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.